Hi and welcome everybody. My name is Chris from Teacher and Student, and in this video I will give you an overview of the new Moodle version 4.0, which has been released on the 18th of April 2022. To be honest, it really was about time that Moodle got a cleaner look and also improve a couple of obvious functionalities, which they have finally done. One of the reasons why the look is a lot cleaner is that the blocks have been pushed to the right side and can be extended only if you need them by clicking this tiny arrow here. Hiding the blocks on the right side can not only be done on the homepage but also on the dashboard and within courses, which enables the content again to go across the entire screen for easy reading. What you can also notice is that the left-hand navigation that used to be here where my logo is has been moved to the top and now only includes the really frequently used buttons for more efficient navigation. Let's go through it. The top navigation, of course, has a home button, which always brings you back to the home page. Ideally, in my opinion, and you can set that if you like, this is the first page you should see when logging in, so pretty much the landing page. Going back to the top navigation, the next button is the My Courses button. That reveals all courses that you are enrolled in, either as a student itself or as a teacher or any other role. If you are enrolled in many courses, you can use this search functionality, which has been revised and works a lot better now to find a particular course. Once you found your course, you can click on the course and this will take you to the content of the selected course, where we will now see one of the main differences compared to the previous Moodle version. Pushing the major navigation to the top has created a nice space on the left side, which now has been filled with a beautiful content overview of the currently selected course. I would actually call it a table of content for the course. So rather than endlessly scrolling up and down to get to a particular course section, we can simply select a section in the left-hand side, which directly navigates us to the selected section. As you can see, the course overview also highlights the section that you're currently in, which is particularly great if you have big courses. Also, you and your students can now hide the different course sections by clicking this button. And then you can select one particular part of the course to really focus on that. It doesn't really matter for small courses like this example course that I've created, but for courses with lots of content, that's quite nice. By the way, if you don't like the overview on the left-hand side, you can simply minimize it and then, of course, open it again. Notice on the right side, just like in the dashboard and homepage, you can display blocks that you can unhide whenever you want, and of course also hide them again. Moving on, when clicking on your profile here, you get the same buttons as you know from the previous version. You can of course also log out from here, but more importantly, you can get to your profile settings. Here you can edit your user details. And let's scroll down, for example, add an image, or if you scroll up again, change your name and all these kind of things. Going one step back, you can also see your personal reports. So what you've done today, what you've looked at today, and so on. The profile button also brings you to your preferences page, from where you can select preferences for all different kind of things. You can, for example, set your preference on how you want to be informed of new forum entries from other people here in the forum preferences, and of course, much more. So that was just a little nice overview, but I want to make one thing very clear for you. Don't worry that you have to learn anything new in regards to using Moodle after the upgrade. It mainly looks a lot nicer and the navigation is a lot more efficient, but functionalities and the way you create and populate courses or communicate with students is still the same.